Hi everyone, it's Renee with the DIY Day, and today I'm going to share with you a really easy tutorial on how to make a double pocket card. So here's pocket number 1, here's pocket number 2, and then the card portion of it. So let me go over the supplies that are needed and then we'll get started. So you will need an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, preferably double-sided. You'll also need a ruler, a pencil, some glue, as well as a pair of scissors. Next, select the side of the paper that you want to see the most in this card. I want to see this side the most, so I'm going to flip it over. Next, let's fold this piece of paper in half. Then we're going to fold it in half again. Then we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it right against this crease line. Then turn your paper, and with your ruler, measure 5.5 inches. And then just mark your paper. Then we're going to take this corner and fold it right along the pencil marking. Then I'm going to take my scissors and cut from here to the center using the fold as my guide. Next, let's rotate the paper. So now the smaller triangle is in this corner. Now let's fold the card. So I'm going to take this section and just fold it right over. Then I'm going to take this portion and fold it up. And then this flap just gets folded back. So here's one pocket, here's one pocket, and then you could open the card. But before we do that, we need to glue this up. Take your glue. I'm using the Tombow Mono Aqua Liquid Glue. We're going to open the card. And the first portion we're going to glue is this portion. So just put a strip of glue all the way down. Then we're going to add glue to the pockets. For this back pocket here, we're just going to put a thin strip of glue right along this edge. And then with the front pocket, we're going to do the same thing. We'll just add a strip of glue down this edge. Once everything is dry, you could decorate it as you please. or you could add it to a journal or what have you. I'm sending mine as a card. I added some flower seeds and a little note in the back. I might put a picture back there, I'm not sure. And then you could open the card and write a note. Thank you so much for following along on this tutorial. I hope you found it easy and fun. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe below. And for more DIY crafts, please visit my blog at thediyday.com. Thank you.